I'm Kriana Thomas, a full-time student and treasurer of Alpha Lambda Iota at Malcolm X College in Chicago. I'm running for the 2015-2016 Regional Northeastern District Vice President. I'm running for this position to sharpen and develop new leadership and new networking skills, and to foster cohesion and quality connections amongst the chapters. By becoming a regional officer, it will give me a chance to explore, engage, and evolve with other PTK members new avenues for advancement. One of the things I envision is to bring all of the schools together in my district for an awards recognition gala, which acknowledges different chapters, service work, civic engagements throughout the school year. The purpose of this is to positively reinforce the selfless work chapters do in their respective communities, and to allow for cross-pollination of ideas and to enhance quality communication between the large support network of Phi Theta Kappa's Northeastern District chapters. Thank you for your positive motivation, your dedication, valuable time, and consideration for the Northeastern District Vice President. This has been Kriana Thomas with a smile, signing off.